think I'm the meanest realtor ever, but understand, I'm here to sell a property, right? This isn't time for me to be entertaining your pets or your kids for that matter. So I see neighbors walk by and they walk in with their dog. No. This is not a veterinarian facility, right? This isn't a daycare for puppies. No, we don't bring our dogs or pets into an open house. And there's reasons for it, okay? So before you think I'm really mean, everybody knows that I really love animals. I love dogs, and I probably like your dog or your cat or your bird. And I'll tell you the bird story in just a minute. But no word of a lie, man. These dogs that come in, we don't want them lifting a leg on the couch, which I've had some do. I don't want you to pick up Fluffy and walk Fluffy around because, another potential buyer or visitor could go to pet Fluffy and Fluffy bites them, and now we got some dispute going, and you're gonna tell me, no, my dog doesn't do that. Well, the one thing I know in life is that animals are unpredictable. So we don't bring dogs or cats or birds into an open house.